girls' travel day. Cody has been hard at work, taking care of some maintenance, some upgrades, the lights. I'm really loving our underbelly lights. I was very skeptical.
We're in the final stages getting ready to go here before we head west for a long run before heading back to Arkansas for Christmas. I picked up some of this Grandpa GUS'S mouse repellent. I don't think it's actually poison. It's cinnamon oil and peppermint oil and some other stuff, and it says really about the worst thing it can do is irritate your eyes. Since I forgot to put anything in the boat for mouse repellent, I'm going to drop these little pouches in now. It does say they're good for about 30 days, but they can last longer if you limit airflow. I figure since our boat's all covered up and tucked away for the winter, it should be good. So give this a shot, let you know how it goes in the spring.
When this video airs, we will be leaving the Omaha, Lincoln, Nebraska area, headed to western Kansas around the Oakley area. From there, we're headed to the Denver area, Denver, Colorado. After that, I'm not sure yet. We'll find out, but we're excited to hit the road. We do have some rain coming in, but we have some festivities going on today. The campground's shutting down, so there's a lot of activity. I need to go get ready. We've got games, golf cart decorations, golf cart parades, trick-or-treating. A lot of fun stuff going on this weekend. So we're going to go play. And we have been playing a little bit this week. And the rain came with a vengeance, but we have a break in it for now. So the campground's having a good time.
Yep, here we go.
Call me.
This is what happens behind the scenes of YouTube videos.
Doggy duty. We did get to meet some viewers that we've crossed paths with probably 5 or 6 times, Kim and Butch. Finally got to meet. Thank you guys for visiting with us. That was a lot of fun. Good food, good music, good company. And we'll do it again. The rest is all about getting ready to go for tomorrow. We're going to go pretty early, so we want to be quiet. And again, rain coming in. So anything we can do before the rain hits is going to be a plus. Behind this morning, I'm going to finish up these dishes and get out there. Go time. It's almost 7 at night, but we beat the light. It was a hard run day, but we really wanted to get a good jump on our trip.
We're way off. It's like this. I'm sorry, it's like this.
But the sight getting in was really easy, so a little leveling and we're good to go.
Yeah, we'll actually put blocks under the tires today. Look at us go. Are those deedles?
I came up to get some rations for the week, and we got approached with something that I found really interesting, and I want to know what you guys think. So we had a camper neighbor come up to us and was frustrated at their camper 2 spots over for having a campfire. They were in a camper van, so the smoke was blowing directly into their air system and sucking straight into their van, and that's all they could smell. So they were pretty frustrated. I'm confident the RV 2 sites over was not aware of it, but it did make me notice that our fire ring is a few feet away from some open windows. It's that time of year. We're confused. Do we turn the air on? Do we turn the heater on? Do I put on pants? Hence why I'm in flip-flops, shorts, and a jacket. People are lighting fires. People are opening windows. So I want to know, have you been approached with this? Or have you had this issue before? We're going to be a little more cognizant of our surroundings if we do decide to light a fire, because now it's something that's brought to our attention, but it's never something that we thought about before. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Look, a little baby leaf and a fungus flower.
We have landed in Omaha, Nebraska, rather Greenwood, Nebraska is where our campground is.
Yep.
And for all of you that are wondering from our last episode, yes, we survived the pork tacos.
That we forgot when we actually fixed this pork. I don't think it was too far before that, but we're kind of tempting fate. So I'm hoping this doesn't poison us.
There's a chance that these pork tacos could make us sick and kill us. Is that what you're saying?
It's very small chance.
We didn't die or even get even a little bit sick, so we tempted fate, and this time we won.
The campground's nice. It's pretty quiet here. There's some road noise because it's I-80, but I generally never hear it.
No, but if you walk out to the dog park, you'll hear it.
Yeah.
It's out there, but kind of tucked into the park. It's fine. We're only about a half a mile off of I-80, so it was a real quick, easy in. Should be an easy out.
But we're close to everything here, like 20 minutes away from everything. A lot of nice places, so it's been good.
Yeah, I think we're probably, what, 25 minutes to Lincoln, 25 minutes to Omaha. We're kind of right in the heart of it, like she said, so yeah. It's a good location. I would recommend this park. It's a nice park.
I think so.
Look at this. They have an awesome pool and hot tub patio area. I think if we'd have been here a couple months ago, that would have been about perfect. That's a 9-foot deep pool. No diving board, but that's pretty awesome. It's a huge pool.
Is that a kiddie pool or a hot tub? We've struggled with that before.
We've ran into this before.
You see. Oh, it's really shallow. It's a kiddie pool. Not a hot tub.
Been down that road already.
The playground area, if you have kids, they did pretty good at the playground here. Kids. What we love about the RV community is they're always so helpful. That's what we like about the forums and things like that. We get a lot of cool stuff in the comments. So thank you for your help on the phantom water leak. No, we have not figured it out. There's some strange phenomenon going on in this camper.
I got up to go to the restroom and there's water in the floor.
Right here in this entryway to the bathroom and the bedroom, and there was a patch as though someone had just dumped a large cup of water, saturated.
In this one place. I know Chris that we met at the RV rally reached out to me direct and said to check the wind guard unit on the roof. We did check that. Apparently a lot of times they'll leak on the inside and water will kind of trickle down and collect and come in through the ceiling. That definitely wasn't the case. It hadn't rained the night before. I looked at the sealant on it. It looks great and I don't see any water inside. Another viewer recommended maybe a check valve on the water inlet side. That's actually on the opposite side of our trailer, but
that's interesting.
We checked that anyway. That doesn't seem to be a problem, but we got a lot of good interaction in the comments and a lot of great suggestions. So to everybody that reached out, we appreciate it. I think we're leaning to the side of we were sleepwalking and attempted to dump a dehumidifier, because that's about the only thing that we have that holds that much water in one place, and it hadn't been raining in the previous couple of days before. So who knows, but we haven't had any issues since then, and it's been a couple of weeks. Here we are.
We do have some exciting news. We have a little more merch coming out, a few more designs. I'm really excited about my lightweight hooded zip-ups. I love these things. We, like early in the morning when we go to the gym, I like a zip-up to throw on because it's usually kind of cool, or around the campfire. So I'm stoked about these just to have it. They run a little snug. So I'd say size up at least one if you like a loose fit. Yeah,
if you like a loose fit. I'm a medium, and I think a large would probably be the best bet for me. And I love these things for sitting around the campfire at night. It's not too much. It's just enough to kind of break the breeze off of you, and they are a really, really nice material. So check those out on our Etsy store. We'll put a link in the description as always.
Speaking of descriptions and comments, when we go places, we try to think of everything, places that we go to, and pop those links in there for quick access for you. Description for sure, and we try to put those in the comments too, so you can check those, and if we miss something, just ask us and we can probably get it.
Yep. We try to take the pain out of it, so if you come to one of these places, you don't have to do as much research as Angela normally does to find these things, so we hope that helps you guys out on the road.
Absolutely. As always, thank you for joining us. This has been a good trip.
Absolutely. It's good to be on the road again.
It is. Yeah, this is exciting. And then we're headed further west come Saturday.
And we won't be back at a home base until Christmas. This and everything after it will be all new locations and places. So we're hoping the weather holds up and it doesn't get too cold. So make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already, so you can join us again at the next video and see where we land next.
Catch you next time.
Bye, guys.
Hard to accept that it's really come to begging.
Sometimes it's the only way to stay in the game.
Please tell your friends about this show.